Hi, you guys. Um, I am creating you a video from my house. I had a couple emails asking about how the Falcon Post and how Core will work now that we're moving into distant learning mode. And I guess the first thing that I want to say is that I don't really know. I don't believe that I'll be taking attendance for Core. Um, And in terms of the Falcon Post, there's no expectation that we continue um, doing activities and writing articles and editing and all that stuff. There's no expectation for it. That doesn't mean we can't do it. So part of what I want to do today or in the next few days, anyways, is kind of collect your guys' thoughts. I created a Google form that I put onto our Google Classroom, and I really don't want you to fill out the form right away. I want you to, excuse me, I want you to wait until closer to the end of next week, like April 2nd or 3rd, that Thursday or Friday. And the reason for that is because I want you to kind of get a handle on the distant learning stuff first, kind of figure out what that's going to look like, how much time it might take of your day, and that sort of thing. Um, and then fill out this form, which one of the questions in there asks you what you would like to keep doing or not doing for the Falcon Post. Why am I yawning? I haven't been yawning all day, and it's 2:45 right now. Weird. Anyways, so if you want to get that done, if you want to do that for me, that would be great. Fill out the form late next week. But, um, I'm really sad because we've been doing such incredible work this year. And I have really valued the relationships that I have with so many of you and the time that I get to spend with you every morning, even if it's just saying hey and having small talk. Some of you eighth graders, especially, um, I'm just sad that I won't get to see you every day. Hopefully, I still will at the end of the year. Somehow we'll get to come back, but I don't know yet. And so I don't know if you're missing me as much as I'm missing you, please feel free to send me an email or a Google Hangout or whatever. I'd also love maybe the possibility of getting a group Google Meet going, which is like our FaceTime type of thing on Google. So, let me know if that's something you'd be interested in. We can at least hang out and chat about all the mysteries of life. Um, I don't know. That's all I have for you guys right now. If you have questions or whatever, send me a message, or if there's just something you want to talk about. Um, Take care, stay safe, wash your hands, stay inside, all that kind of stuff. Well, not stay inside, but you know what I mean. Stay within 6 feet of people. Follow all those rules. They're important. Um, okay. See you later.